The kit has arrived, and you are ready to curate product for your gift. Let's see what is inside. You will receive your large fabric box kit in a corrugated box. It is lightweight and easy to stack and store. The large fabric box kit is perfect for 3 to 10 products. Inside you will find 2 corrugated, mini, small, boxes and 1 corrugated base box, an idea booklet on hundreds of uses. 1 strip of flexible, ribbed ribbon to complete project. A step-by-step, 3-fold instruction booklet. 3 fabric 1-size-fits-all sleeves. 2 fabric 1-size-fits-all toppers. 1 large, netted fabric tool bag. This is what we call the corrugated base box. This is what we call a snug bug, a cardboard piece, designed by the gift wrap place to hold the fabric and product in place. Your kit will include 2 snug bugs. Let's start building and curating gift. Grab sleeve and slide sleeve over base box, then tuck and fold in place, as shown. Take your mini, small box, then remove snug bug and put off to the side. Find additional sleeve. Slide sleeve over box as shown. We also call this slip covering, then tuck and fold in place. Do not worry about extra fabric. Just fold down tightly to your desired pleat. Love it, looks great. Get the snug bug, and find a fabric topper, and unfold the topper. Grab the snug bug and begin to remove the round widget from the middle of the snug bug, twirl it out as shown. Try not to rip it. If you need a larger product hole, remove the perforated side slits to make hole larger. Try not to rip it yet, make a clean carve out. Wrap the fabric topper around the snug bug, and push fabric down in the middle of the snug bug hole. Then insert into mini, small box by folding down snug bug perforated sides. You will need to play around with adjusting the depth, depending on the kind of product. Place mini, small box into base box. Grab the other snug bug. I decided not to use the additional mini, small box because of design effect I'm looking to create. So now, I have an extra box to make additional gift later. Using this snug bug, I will not remove widget but use it for product elevation. Simply wrap the topper around the snug bug, and insert next to mini, small box within the base box. Add a backdrop to your gift design. You can use a plate, picture frame, fabric pad, mirror, book or nothing. This is a coffee, tea box gift. To complete your gift design, find your tool bag, open it up and stretch it out. Lift your gift with one hand placed at the bottom as shown, then gently wrap the tool bag around the gift. Adjust the tool bag and make sure the tool bag is tight at the bottom of the gift. Non-transparent bags are available to conceal the surprise. Then twirl bag as shown. The seams should be visible on the sides or the back. Grab the ribbon and make a bow. Congratulations! You have finished learning how to build the perfect auction, raffle, display, presentation and gift.